Hello guys, this is my Python project on Smart Traffic Management System. We have two parts in this project. The first part is to use a simulator to simulate the four-way traffic junction, and the second part is to detect vehicle and track the speed of the vehicle in real-time videos. And for the first part, we will be using Q-learning reinforcement method, and these are the required and necessary packages and library for which you need to have or download. And for this part you need to download Sumo simulator from your browser. And our aim of this project is to minimize the total waiting time of all the vehicles during the simulation. And in Q-learning approach, where an agent based on the given state selects an appropriate action for the intersection in order to maximize the present and future rewards. So we formulate traffic signal control problem as a reinforcement learning problem where the agent interacts with the intersection at discrete time steps, and the goal of the agent is to reduce the vehicle staying time and the intersection in a long term. For every edge, we generate position and velocity matrices. We use this Bellman optimal equation for optimal Q values, and this is our code. For the first part, we are defining the Q agent here, and we are building the neural network that is required for the deep Q learning model. And then after this part, we will be defining the Sumo intersection and designing the Sumo intersection that is required for our project. And I will show you the output of this project as I already have here. And so when you go there, like when you run this code, this code will automatically show you the Sumo graphical user interface and will show you the simulation of the traffic in four ways. So this is it. It's taking some time. So this is the output of our project, where this is the Sumo G graphical user interface, where you can see the simulation of the four-way intersection. These are the cars. You can change them from here. These are real-time cars, and you can change them to standard. It will look like this. So it's up to you. And this is the delay. So you can delay the simulation or delay the speed of the cars as well. And now I'll be showing you the second part of our project, which is the speed check and detection of vehicles. So the output will be in a minute. Yeah, this is the output. As you can see that it is detecting the vehicles and the speed as well of the vehicle of a real-time video. Yeah, it will calculate the vehicle. There is a formula for calculation of the vehicle speed. So we'll be using this for real-time approaches. Thank you. This was it.